Okay, Brandy, open your present.
Open from Santa.
Open.
Open.
Pop them. Start it a little bit for him.
Okay.
Open.
Open. Yay! Ooh! Spider Squad. Anna. Spider-Man.
Let's see.
Anna.
Iron Man?
That's a little kid one, so that's probably for him.
Hey, say Iron Man.
Yay! Iron Man.
Brandy.
My turn. Anna.
Iron Man.
What's this?
Ethan, let me see.
You know what? Here, why don't you want to sit in your chair? Let's sit in the chair. Fine. Let's get you over by your present so we can get your picture.
Nice ass shot.
What is this?
Ethan, turn around so I can see.
What is
Okay.
this?
All right, here.
Hey, I know what that is.
Whoa.
Sonic Colors and Transformers. Decepticons.
Whoa.
And
You like
we got
that?
Wii games too. But I got the DS game.
Yeah.
I got 7 DS games now.
We need to get a trash
Wendy's
bag.
turn. Hey, Wendy. Open your present. Look. Oh, I know what that is. I knew
Yeah, you know what it is?
Wii.
Let him open it.
Here, open it, Wendy.
I can't see.
When you open it, look.
What do we got? Dun, dun, dun. It is
Toy Story 3.
Toy Story 3. Cool. Ethan's like, I'll watch that one.
I can.
Alright, Ethan. Alright, Ethan, you're up. What is that? What is it?
Hero Factory.
Alright.
What's this?
It is, what's it called? What's his name?
It's
Liquidator? What's his name?
What do you got there, buddy?
I'm reading it.
Who's that again?
Maybe his name is Meltdown.
Oh, maybe Meltdown, yeah.
Wendy, you
Alright,
turn.
Brandy, you're up, dude.
You're up. Open your present. Open your present.
He's like, nah, I like this one.
Step on this.
Open it for him then.
Choo choo. Thomas, Wendy, look. Thomas. Yay.
Alright. Okay, E, your turn.
Where's your choo-choo? Is that a choo-choo?
This is the thing I just wanted.
Alright, now that's from Grammy, right?
Yeah, Stealth Spice.
Alright, good job. Why don't you wait and open Grammy's presents all together? You want to do all Grammy's presents now?
No.
Okay, alright, get the other ones then.
Wendy's turn. Oh. I heard someone.
I'm on the camera, dude.
Open it.
Huh?
Thomas! You do. More Thomas! You
Oh, Thomas Train Track.
My turn.
Brandy.
My turn.
Brandy, what do you got there?
It's Thomas Train. What's this? Hey, a new helmet.
Oh, turn it around. Let me see.
The baby.
Oh, that's cool. Hey, that matches your bike.
Hey, wait. Look at this thing.
Oh, you know, there's probably just tape on it.
No, that thing right there. The white thing.
Oh, it probably comes out. Let me see.
Never mind.
Let me see.
Wendy's turn.
Oh, yeah, it's just tape. See, look.
So that white thing under the tape.
Hey, look.
Wendy's got something heavy.
Oh.
Wendy. Open it. Open it, Wendy. Wendy, open it. Oh. Wendy, open it.
Whoa, what is that?
SpongeBob. Whoa. Oh. For
Let's see.
3 and up.
Let's see, well, is it? SpongeBob what? Oh, it's heavy.
Whoa. Yay, yay. Neatly stores their toys.
Oh, cool.
Gardatus, or the Nethermint.
Oh, you're reading Spanish, dude.
What?
You're reading Spanish.
That's Spanish.
Yeah. Guardia tus juguetes ordenadamente.
Makes clean up fun and simple.
Yeah, that's the English part.
Ordenar es maintenance. Yeah, I can't do it. Okay, my turn.
Alright, let's see. What's next for you?
It's a double one for me.
Alright, alright. Are you gonna, why don't you do the ones from Santa first, baby, okay?
From Santa? Okay.
All these are over here, I think, are from Santa. The ones that have a tag are from,
Thank you.
Santa, I mean, from everybody else.
And then,
Wow.
Whoa, what is that?
another
Let me see.
gun.
Let me see. Let's see the box.
Here, look at my back.
It's guns, but look. It's like dirt tag. Wow, look, you got a vest. And you got
Glasses.
And glasses. You gotta shoot each other. Like laser tag. That'll be cool for you and Michael. So Michael will love that one.
Wait, are there 2 glasses, 2 vests, 2 guns?
Yeah, for 2 people.
Yay!
Alright, E, let me get a picture of that one. Sit in your chair. I like the chair I do. We should have chairs every day.
Cheese.
I like it. Nice.
Wendy's turn.
Alright,
Wendy's turn.
Brandy's turn.
Wendy, open it. Step on Tom's screen.
Not even one more battery.
Yep.
What is it?
Yay.
Hey, Brendan.
Train! Look,
What do you got
there?
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo. Alright, here.
My turn.
Here, stand next to him. I want to get a picture of that.
My turn.
And
Iron Man.
My turn.
Brandy, Iron Man. Let's show Mommy Iron Man.
I know what that is. Whiplash.
Oh.
Cheese.
He's into Iron Man.
What is it?
I told you what it was.
Whiplash.
I put it on my list before, and how do you know it was on my list? I didn't even tell him.
Uh,
He's good like that. Dude, that's cool.
You like that?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Wendy's turn. You. Wendy, it's opening present.
No. Those are from everybody else. Get the ones that are on the table and stuff.
You ready? Oopsie. Wendy, you ready?
Yeah? SpongeBob.
Whoa! To assemble. Uses standard size crib mattress.
Woohoo!
Wendy has a big boy bed.
Whoa, big boy bed.
I was wondering why this was heavy.
Oh. All right, E. Take a quick break. Let's get some of the paper into a trash bag. I brought a trash bag.
Oh,
It's right over